I'm a drone enthusiast, which is an unmanned aerial vehicle. We speak about aviation, and knowing that there's a lack of aviators when it comes to airline pilots, we want to influence our students in another way, and we look at drones as a way to influence them to get into the cockpits of airplanes so that we can, alleviate some of this deficit with our lack of pilots. We're losing all of our pilots, they're retiring, so we need new airline pilots. So we're just hoping we can help fill some of that void.